guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. In today's video, I'm going to be creating an eyeshadow look using the Makeup Revolution Affirmation palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. So there are a lot of warm tones in this palette, but there's also some cool tones to play around with. So I am going to try and create the most stunning look that I can using this palette, and you're just here for the ride. So let's get started. So first things first, y'all already know what it is, priming the lid with concealer. So I'm going to play around with some of these matte transition. Okay. So I'm going to play around with some of these matte transition shades. Oh my gosh, like, this is so freaking irritating. Like, you know what I'm trying to say. So we're just going to keep it pushing. I am going to dip into this shade. Which one? I think I'm going to try this one here, which is like, maybe like a taupe kind of color. This one. I'm going to put that into my crease. So as you can see, the pigment is definitely there, and it's actually a lot darker than I thought it would be. Didn't want to start off at that level of like darkness, but okay, whatever. We gotta go with it now. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, okay, that is dark. And now I want to go into this purple color right here. And I'm going to blend this just above the first color that I put down. I'm using very light pressure to apply this color because I don't want it packed in. I really want it to be more feathered. But I'm putting it just on top of that first color. So as you can see, these shadows are really pigmented and also very easy to blend. Now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and dip into this lighter shade here, just to kind of blend out the edges and soften that darker color. For the lid, I think I want to use some more cool tones, and I'm going to do this blue, this purple, and then also this grayish color here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, and then I'm going to go in with those colors on the lid. Okay, so now that my crease is cut, I'm going into this kind of neon galaxy purple color right here, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner. Okay, finger's going to have to go in because it's not really doing much, so. Now this shade, my bottom lash line, I'm going to use this purple color that I put in the outer corner. So now I'm going to press this white color onto my waterline. In the inner corner, I'm going to pop this really light iridescent color right here. I'm going to go ahead and do a nude lip. I'm going to line with a brown liner. Next I'm going to add liquid lipsticks by Belle, and these are in the color Flush and Deep Nude. I'm going to put Flush around the outside and then Nude on the inside. And the last thing I'm going to add is highlighter. And this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the look. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. If you want to be notified whenever I upload, then click the notification bell. And just so you know, I will be posting daily videos for the time being, so I will see you guys in the upload tomorrow.